I found the cutest way to wear a messy bun, but add a claw clip and make it different and kind of messy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it because I think it's the cutest, easiest way to throw up your hair and look effortless, but still so stinking cute. I'm gonna begin by kind of messily gathering my hair into a ponytail. I don't want it to be perfect. I'm gonna leave some down around my face. And then I'm gonna take a little clear elastic and I'm going to secure it. I'm gonna do it into a pony. And then I'm going to do it into a little half pull through. Make that messy. And then I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna kind of twist it and then mess up my twist. We're gonna push it up. I'm gonna leave the little edge down. And then we're gonna secure it with our little claw clip. Okay, and then you can just mess it up more if you want, keep it kind of cool and chill. I think it's the cutest way to change up a messy bun, add a claw clip in, give you a cool but effortless look. So try it and let us know what you think.